Imagine discovering a critical requirement gap only after testing has already started. The documents are almost complete. The project deadline is approved, and now changing the solution means revising specification, updating tests, and delay the release. For many life science professionals, this is not a scenario. This is a project reality. That's why Agile validation can be valuable. By dividing the work into smaller iterations, teams can review requirements, assess risk, test functionality, and collect stakeholder feedback earlier. Problems become visible sooner, decisions are made with better information, and the project can move forward with greater confidence. But this is also where a concern appears. Can Agile work in a regulated environment? What happens to documentation, traceability, approvals, and compliance when work is delivered in shorter cycles? The answer is important. Agile does not mean less control. It does not mean skipping required activities. It does not mean accepting incomplete evidence. When properly applied, Agile can strengthen compliance by making validation activity continuous rather than leaving them until the end of the project. Requirements can be clarified earlier. Risks can be reassessed as the solution evolves. Testing can occur closer to development, and feedback can be incorporated before problems become expensive. But there is another common misunderstanding. Some organizations move their validation documents into electronic platform and believe they have become agile. Paperless validation can improve accessibility, traceability, collaboration, and efficiency. But paperless does not mean agile. A process can be digital and still follow a slow, sequential approach in which feedback and testing happen too late. Technology supports the method, it does not replace it. True agile validation depends on how the work is organized. Smaller iterations, continuous collaboration, frequent risk reviews, early testing, and timely stakeholder feedback. This brings us to the third and most important concept. The objective is not to validate less, it is to validate smarter. That means generating the right evidence at the right time, focusing effort where risk exists, avoid unnecessary repetition, and maintaining compliance where supporting faster and better information decision. Traditional validation has created a foundation for regulating the industry. Agile builds on that experience. It helps us adapt the validation to systems that change quickly, such as cloud platforms, SaaS applications, and other digital solutions. If you would like to understand how Agile methods, GAMP 5-second edition, FDA, CSA, AI, and machine learning systems, and the risk-based approaches can be applied in regulated environments, explore our course, Modern Computer System Validation Life Science, GAMP 5-second edition, FDA CSA, and AI ML integration. It shows how these concepts connect validation decisions and challenges faced by life science professionals. With more than 100 online lessons and certification, the 5 Academy allows professionals to learn at their own pace. Managers can also assist training and team members to monitor their progress and performance through the platform. Scan the QR code on the screen to learn more, because the future of validation is not about choosing between speed and compliance. It is about creating an approach capable of delivering both.